Hola clase, ¿cómo están? Pues este es un breve video sobre esta oportunidad de tener un video chat partner in Ecuador. So I just wanted to include a little video, even though you might have read about it, just to show you a little bit of the photos from the trip when I went to Cuenca, Ecuador, and also to Guayaquil and las Islas Galapagos. Just to start out, this is the university that your video chat partner attends. It's called Universidad Nacional de Educación. So the majority of students here are studying to be educators, and they're studying to actually teach English. Yeah. So this is from a conference when I went there. This is just one of the presenters and then some of the people in the audience. And then this is just a picture to show that this university is pretty unique for Ecuador in that it sits outside of the city. It follows the model of American universities where students might actually live on campus in the future. It's under construction and a lot of the buildings are still being built, but that's one of them. It's a public university. It's new. It started probably about now, maybe 7 years ago. Everyone especialización means their major, so especialización es en la educación. Some photos vistas de la ciudad. Cuenca is a city in Ecuador, one of the very few cities where you can drink the tap water from the tap. You can see it sits close to some mountains and a national park. Some pictures from the cathedral, the church downtown in Cuenca. Pictures of some of the people, of course, very common to eat helado. This is actually crema, so it's not actually ice cream, it's more like a cream. This is just a photo, of course, of la vegetación. So let's go back to just some of the information about this project. So you're required to meet once a week for 30 minutes more or less. You're going to speak in English for half the time and Spanish for half the time. And your conversation is going to follow a set of questions. So this is for an example. So you would have preguntas la primera semana. So I put the questions in Spanish and in English just to get to know the person. Of course, this probably won't take you 15 minutes to go through all these questions, but it might. So this is just a starting point. So that's what you would do. You would go through those questions, and then to verify that you had the conversation versus typed it out to get the information, you would just post a screenshot from the conversation here. So you do that for 5 weeks. So it's hopefully going to start next week and then go for the next 5 weeks. So let me know if you're interested, if you have any questions. Gracias. Muy bien.